Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I had posted on our group page that I had a few Made It Con kits left over. Now, the reason I do is because there was a little bit of a mix-up as to how many kits I needed to make, so we went way above and beyond and made tons. So I have about 15 to 20. I don't know, I hadn't counted exactly, but I have somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 20 kits of each one left over. And I'm going to show you what each kit consists of. Now, there's also, not only do you get everything that comes in the kit to make the project, but then you also get an exclusive video that we recorded just for this. It's a full tutorial, shows you step by step everything to do. And then you get a PDF of cut files. Now, some of them won't have a cut file. Like this is a pretty simple little folio, and it doesn't necessarily have to have a cut file. But like for this purse and for this, and for some of the other things, there's a cut file that's included and a scoring file. It just shows you a little bit more how to score and how to cut everything out. But this is, I'm going to show you one at a time what is in the kits. This is, let me move these, the first kit that we did, and this is the purse stationery box. Now this is the one that I had done for the promotion for our videos that where we started selling the kits. So it opens up like this, and it has, mine has cards in both sides, but it has cards and envelopes, and you get 7 envelopes and 7 cards to go in here, and it's just like a little stationery box. And then it closes back up with magnets, and then you get the little embellishments. Now let's see, I'm trying to think. It will have a little embellishment like this that goes in there. You get a little resin piece like this, and then you get some leaves, and then you get a cutout rolled rose where you can roll it up, and I show you in the video how to roll it up. And then you get some little bling pieces. So this is the one that actually looks more like, let me put that back there, what you would get in your kit. So these are some of the papers. Now all the kits are a little bit, the papers may be a little bit different. I don't know. We used the same paper collection, but some of your papers may be a little bit different color, or like, you know, you may use the other side of this one. I mean, they're all going to be cut for you. The only thing that you have to do is score if there's a score line, and round the corners if there's a round place. But I mean, all these pieces are cut for you. And then you will get the magnets that go here, the envelopes and the cards, and the bling and the rolled rose and all of that. So you get everything to make this little purse. It's a purse stationery box. It's very, very sweet. It's not hard to make at all, but these make wonderful gifts at Christmas. I gave these away last year as a little Christmas gift, and I put some cards and envelopes in one side, and then the other side I put a little gift certificate, and they absolutely loved them. So that is the first class. And let's see, this is another class right here. So this is the one that I made for the I guess promotional video. Now we couldn't get these flowers anymore because these come from China, and right now China's not shipping to us without it taking like 4 or 5 months. So we couldn't get these flowers, but we did include, and mine have got a little bit squished because I've had these over in a box, but we did include flowers in your kit. So there are some pretty little flowers and leaves. This is the one that looks like the kit right here. There's some swirl bling. These pieces are already punched for you. This is already cut out for you. You get that resin flower. You get some pearl bling that goes down through there. You get your elastic. You get your magnet. And then you get some vellum. And then on the inside you get this watercolor paper that is already cut to size. You get the string to sew in your signature. And then this has a little box on the end right here. Let me see if I, oh lordy, I can't open mine up. I wonder if I glued it shut. After the video, I didn't open it. Let me see what I can do. Okay, let me just show you this box then. For some reason, mine won't open. It opens up. It is hard. It has a hard top and hard side, so it won't collapse. And you can put, let me see if I have a pen here on my desk. Hold on, let me grab one. There, it has a pen that comes with it. It's not this one, of course. I think it's a green pen, but it has a pen that comes with it that you can put in there if you want. So this is made from chipboard and then covered with paper. So, and then this outside is chipboard. So all your chipboard is cut for you. All your paper, this is the only paper that's not cut for you. It's the paper that covers this. And we give you, in the video, we give you exact instructions on what sizes to cut. Also on the PDF, it has sizes to cut. Let me think, is there anything else that I'm missing? I think that's it. But as you can see, it's very cute, very functional. You can add more pages and things in here if you want. We put it where you can take this little book out and put another one in there if you want to. So it's very functional. It's a good gift to give to somebody who does like drawings or paintings, something like that. So that is that one. This one is called the, let's see, Travel Journal Folio, I think is what this one is called. I will have photos and everything on the website of them. All right, now this one. Now this is the one that I made prior to the classes just to do the promotion. And then this is the one that we actually made during our video. So you can see they're very, very similar. I'm just going to set that one right there. This one, this is the paper that you get. It's green cardstock in the background, and then it has that green and has the balloons in there. All of this is cut for you. This is it's called an exploding box with a cascading mini album. So the box opens up like that. These explode down, and here's where you can put all your photos. There's 11 on each side, so 22 pieces, and then that would be front and back, so it'd be 44 places to put photos. You have a little pocket here with a little tag in it, and then a little pocket right here with a tag in it. Now, like I said, most everything, I don't think there's anything on here that is not already cut for you. All you have to do is glue down. The little butterflies are punched for you. You get bling pieces. You get this document word to go on the top. This doesn't have any magnets, so you won't have to have magnets on this. It closes right up just like that. And then that little top just sticks on. And then you get instructions on how to score this, how to cut the pieces out, and how to put it together so you can make many, many more. So that is that one. That one again is called the Exploding Box Cascading Mini Album. Okay, let's see which one. This is another class. Now this one has 2 different projects in this class. And it's all one price for 2 projects. You get that project and then you get this one. So this is let me find my paper. I have to look at them because I had so many different ones. This is called the Fun and Easy Wallet Folio and Mini Purse. Now this is the little mini purse folio. And this is the papers that you would get in yours. It has a little string. It has this hello already written out for you. All this is cut out. You get your bling, your paper for your little belly band. And then the belly band slides off, and then there is your little pocket. Very, very cute. This is a good gift little idea for someone. This is not hard to make at all. It comes together in just a little while. Now the videos on this class, there's 2 videos. There's one for this and then one for this. We didn't want to put them together and make them too long. So this is the ones that I made prior to. You can just see they're basically made the same way, just different color papers. So you can make these. These go over really well at craft fairs and things like that. All of these projects do. Okay. This is the little wallet folio, and it looks like kind of like a little wallet. This is the one we made in class. It has the little ephemera piece here, the bling, the flowers, the little bow. Well, you can tie the bow. It has the ribbon. And then inside you get this. Let's see, let's do these first. These are two little places that open up that you could put photos or, you know, just anything that you would want on there. And then the center part unties. The little string unties, and I will never get my bow tied back. You know, I'm terrible with bows. This is already pre-cut for you. All you have to do is slice it down the center to use it. You get your little brads, and then this folds out like this. So you have 6 places for photos here and 6 places for photos on this side. And you get all of these little mats cut for you. And all of this, everything, and then you can put it back together. You can put this down, you can kind of alternate it like that, or you can just put one side down and then the other side down like that, and then just tie your little bow back to hold it closed. And I'm not going to tie it on screen because, like I said, I'm terrible at tying bows and it takes me just a minute. Now this one also has a little magnet that keeps it closed. So that closes right up. This is the one that I made prior to class. And I've taken my little bow out there. I put eyelets in here, but I didn't include eyelets in everybody's. I did the brads because I know a lot of people don't have eyelet setters. So I didn't want to put eyelets in there because you may not have a way to set them. So that's why I just changed it over to brads. And then you get your bling and everything to kind of finish it all off. So that is another class, and I will take photos of those. Put it on the website. Then let's see what we have. Try to move this back so I can. Okay. We've got the Fancy Fold. Let me find it. Fancy Fold card. This is the Fancy Fold card. And then this is the interlocking circle card. Now this one, let me see if I can stand this one up. I had it folded in my box over there. Okay, they will fold down like that to put in an envelope, or you can open them up like that and they do stand. This is the one that we made in class. The only difference in these two is this stamp I couldn't get a hold of anymore. So I created this as a downloadable file for me. I downloaded it, cut it out, and then I included this piece in your kit. So you get the lace, the trim, the butterfly already punched, all these pieces already punched for you. The only thing that you have to cut is this, and I show you exactly how to cut it in the video. You just have to cut these pieces. It comes in one piece. Just slice it down the center and then slice 3 pieces and glue them down. But that is this. All of this right here is one class. So you get everything to make that card and then everything to make this card. Like I said, this is one class, one price, but you get everything to make all of these. This is the one that I made prior to, and then this is the one that I made in class. So this is already stamped and cut out for you. The circles, all of this is already cut out. Your circle here, this circle, all of that's cut out for you because we were afraid that if we just sent the paper that some people may not have a way to cut that circle out. So we just went ahead and set up a file and cut them out for you. And then you also get a white piece of paper that goes right here to do your sentiment on. I didn't put mine in, but so then you get some little flowers and a piece of string and some bling and all of that to make your card. So there is that one. Now, let me put that back there. And that has 2 separate videos as well. I just wanted to make it a little bit easier by doing 2 separate videos because I was afraid if I did one, it would just run too long. So that way you can watch one, make that, and then go back and watch the other. Now, this is the box card that we made. This is a Birdhouse box card. This is the one we made in class. And then this is the one that we made prior to class. Now, the reason some of our butterflies don't look like this is because that little punch broke and I could not punch these out anymore. So we had to cut out some butterflies on our Cricut, but I think we did it justice. I think we got plenty of in there. But you'll get lots of little flowers, butterflies, all of these pieces cut for you. All of this, you get your little stems, your bling, all of that. And then we show you exactly how to make it in the video. Now this folds down and it will insert in a card. It just has to be a little bit larger card. So that is the Birdhouse box card. We will put a photo of that over on the blog as well. Let me see. Birdhouse box card. All right, the travel journal we talked about. The purse stationery box we talked about. Exploding box cascading mini album. The Birdhouse box, the fancy fold card and interlocking circle, and then the wallet and purse folio we talked about. So that is all of the classes that we have, and I'm going to load those up. I'm going to load them as individual, but then I'll probably load them. I'll probably do a load that has one of each kit in the class, in all the classes, so it would have 6 different kits in it. And if you want to buy all of them, you can buy all of them at a discounted price. So I'll probably load it 2 different ways. What was I going to say? What else was I going to say? Oh, also, if you purchase a kit, let me lay this aside. We have tons of projects that we have made over the years. We usually take all of these to Made It Con and we give them out as gifts. But since we didn't get to have Made It Con and we did a virtual, we didn't get to give these out as gifts. So if you purchase a kit, you will get one of our handmade pieces for free. I don't know what it'll be. I don't know if it'll be a card, if it'll be a little mini album. We're just going to grab them and stick them in the boxes. If it's a card, you'll get 2 or 3 cards. If it's a mini album, you'll get 1. You know, we're just going to grab them and insert them in the kits. So I think that is it. I will load this up over on the group so that you can see it and you can see the kits. And then I'll be loading the kits over on the website. So I should have the link as soon as this video is up. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for your interest in these. And thank you so much for your support. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.